Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play guitar rhythm using the chords of G major, C major, D major, and also D7. Similar to one of my previous lessons, number 5, but this is a little bit more upbeat, okay? If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be using guitar jam track number 6 on this one, and the chords I'll be using will be displayed on that jam track as well, okay? And I'll also have these noted above as I play through, okay? So I'll be using G major, C major, D major, and also D7, okay? Okay, this song is written in 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure, and I'll be using this strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, except it'll be just a little bit faster, all right? I'll play through it one time without the jam track, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's play through using guitar jam track number 6. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed playing this rhythm using guitar jam track number 6. It's a little bit fast. Strumming pattern is a little bit different, but you can also just play just simple straight down and up strums until you get used to it. And feel free to use different kind of strumming patterns as well. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the thumbs up. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Have a great day. God bless you.